All right, we are going to do a CSS battle, starting the stopwatch and off to CSSBattle.dev. We have, I don't know, a weird Lego block of some sorts. I don't know. We usually try to go fast for the first solution. So we're going to say background orange. We're going to say, that's on the HTML. On the body, we're going to say background is this color, cream. I don't know what it is. We're going to say margin 2040. Gonna load our extension. Those are correct. Then we're going to have a paragraph tag. It's going to have a height of 40 pixels. Outline 1Q solid. Let's add it to the DOM. There it is. Height wasn't quite right. It's 50. Don't need pixels because it figures it out. Margin 0, not 90, 0, 50. That's correct on the right. 0, 100. That's correct. Background, the red color. Then we're going to box shadow it, minus 200 pixels, 0 to 20. Same color. We're going to cheat on the color. Just want to type it once. We're going to say color, that. Then we're going to say minus 100 pixels, 200 pixels to 10, and minus 60, 50. If I can just type a 5. And finally, 50 pixels, 210 pixels. It's not right. Let's try 80. Why is that not working? I don't want that. More. 180. That might be right. Close. 170. There we go. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. That's not going to be right because I left my outline on. Now it might be right. Yeah, that is a win. Okay, that took, I don't know, 2 hours, 2 hours. 2 minutes, 40 seconds, something like that. I mean, it's not that bad of a way to do it. It's a bit messy, but it's not a terrible solution. Are there things we can do to make it shorter? Of course there are. There are always things we can do to make it shorter. What are those things is a better question. So, I don't know. I'm going to get rid of everything because, style is back. We're going to have our HTML selector. Our HTML selector, what do we want to do with it? We're going to margin it in. I'm going to put an outline on it so I can see it. 1Q solid. We can't see it because it's at the edge of the viewport, but as we start to margin it in, we'll start to see it. So margin 20, 40, 450, 40. See, I remember one thing from last time, the margin. Margin 20, 40. Okay. Not sure if that's what I want to do is the problem. I think it is. I think it is. Then we're going to select our body. We're going to put an outline on our body. I'm paused here because I'm wondering if I want to be able to see. Let's just do another outline. 1Q solid red. All right, we're getting a little bit of margin there because our user agent in Chrome applies an 8-pixel margin to the body. We're going to change that margin. It's going to be I don't know what it is, 100? Nope. 110? 105? That looks like the right height. It's too wide though, so 90. Uh, or not wide enough, sorry. 80. And then we're going to box shadow. Say DOW, that's the way it works. It's going to go up and slightly right. So 10 pixels and minus 80 pixels. All right, 20. And it needs to be wider, so this is going to become 1. Nope, that one was right, 105. And 85. No, the other way, 75. That might work. Now it needs to be 25 and up more. 105. Perfect. Oh, this isn't going to work. Yeah, it is. It can. I'm going to say color. It's going to be the red color. All right. Then we're going to go um, minus 100 pixels, minus 105 pixels. It's going to be minus 150, 180, 195. There's that. Now we want to go minus, I don't know, 20 pixels, 105 pixels. Need a comma in there if we want that to work. 25, of course. And then we're going to go 25. That's not going to be right. We do need a comma again. 125 pixels, 105 pixels. This is going to be 145, 60. There, we're starting to change it. Okay. 80, 90. And we need, what do we need? I had a plan. Can we box shadow 0.009" and then move color up to there, and then background yellow here, get rid of the outlines. That is also a match. So I played a little trick here. I do have to have that box shadow though. I wonder. Almost working. Almost working. I wonder which ones those are. That one, it looks like. I'll make that 50. Okay. Let's undo a couple things here. There. Which buttons? Okay, that is 152 characters. Let unit replace. Minify, submit, critify, 146. As you can see, I have it in my head to try to combine these box shadows. I don't think I can do it here. Yeah, no. Right, because There was a trick that Gav showed me the other day, and I'm failing to quite execute on it correctly. I'm close, but I don't have it right. Or maybe I do, and it's just that situationally the fact that these ones are still on screen. Huh. Oh, because I added that. I mean, I could combat this with a border. Which messes things up, but you know. I don't know. 146 is what I have for now. I may revisit because it's close to something better. And of course, there's not much room for, I don't think there's much room for margins as percentages. Colors might work. I don't know. I don't know. That's what I have for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.